Welcome to the channel, My Wallet Hurts. And today, we are going to open up our final box of 2021-22 hockey, ice hockey. These can be found at daveandadams.com, blowoutcards.com, your local hobby shops. You can also find them in retail, in blaster boxes. You can find them at Walmart and Target. They average about $30 a blaster box. Blaster boxes, I believe, come with 6 packs in them. This is your standard hobby box. On average, you're going, and believe me, the word average here, you're guaranteed one hit autograph, relic, or frozen in ice. I seen the last 2 boxes, I seem to hit a relic and a frozen in ice in both boxes. You'll get 2 ice premieres, 3 ice crystals, 1 Sub-Zero insert, 12 base rookies, 12 green parallels, 3 base parallels such as orange or lavender. You'll get 1 2021 Upper Deck Ice bonus pack, which has 5 cards in it. It'll have a rookie premiere, a base parallel, and 3 base cards. So let's go ahead and dig into this and see what we can break. I trust that your day is going good for you, and I hope that whatever you're breaking today, if you're breaking anything, whether it be packs, a couple packs, box or 2, I hope that you're able to enjoy it, and I hope that you get a good card, a couple good cards. Hope you get an autograph of somebody you possibly PC. It's always fun to have that. And the ice pack is all the way down the middle. So this is the ice pack that'll come with. And let's open it up and see what's inside. Kind of like the Pentium processor. Open it up and see what's inside. Now, you will find some thick packs in there. They have decoy cards, or filler cards they're referred to as. It's to help deter pack searchers. In our first pack, decoy. We have Tyler, we have Jonathan, we have Philip, we have a green parallel of Cam, Talbot, and we have a Wyatt Kalynuk Premieres, 125 out of 499. 125 out of 499. And I just need to fix the camera a second. Sorry about that. So this is what the premieres look like. They're an acetate card. And finishing out that pack is Benoit Oliver Grau. I apologize if I mispronounced the name. Nicola, David, Brock Besser, Nick Suzuki, green parallel. Oh, and we pulled an autograph. And Ukko-Pekka, rookie. Wow. Let's see. This is, Alexei Prodos, Sub-Zero autograph. Interesting. All right, moving along. Sub-Zero, and that's the Sub-Zero rookie auto. It's part of the Sub-Zero subset. And that is hard signed. It is not a sticker auto. So we have Ivan, Victor, Mark Giad, Cole Green rookie parallel. Oops. Timmy Stutzel. Ice crystals. I do like these little subset series. The ice crystals. Very nice. Very, very nice. And we're closing it out with a rookie card of Joey Keane. I am trying to collect the whole set of this. I do like the Ice series. Fan of it. Victor Olofsson, Brian Rust, Andrei Snetchikov, Denisko, green parallel. And we got a Sub-Zero Riley DeMoney, numbered 591 out of 999. And Zach Jones, rookie. Again, I apologize with the names. I'm not very good at enunciating them. Jacob, Jean Gabriel, Doogie Hamilton, Joe Pavlovsky, green parallel, Lane Peterson, orange parallel rookie, and Lane Peterson, regular rookie. Alexis Lafreniere, Vidic Vanasek, Carey Price, Alex Bear Boulet, green parallel. Mr. Moritz Sider, ice crystals, rookies. Very nice. Very nice. And Spencer Knight, rookie, to close that pack out. Spencer Knight. And we got something. Cam Axon, green parallel. We got ice crystals and Joe. Oh my, Jonathan. Ice crystals and Joe Velino, rookie jersey card. And they kind of got the jersey piece a little off-centered in there. Little piece sticking through. Ice jerseys. Worn by the player. Decoy card. Vasily, rookie, to close that pack out. Mario, Elias Lindholm, Robin Lehner. We have a green parallel of David McConnor. Yeah, Connor McDavid. Sorry. And we got a Ice Premiers, Mike Hardman. And this one is numbered 641 out of 799. 641 out of 799. Decoy. And closing it out with Ross Colton, who I believe was signed a new deal with Colorado. So Ross Colton will be playing in Colorado. We have Jason Spezza, Quinn Hughes, Garrett Pilon, parallel, and we got something here. What is this? This is a new one. Sabres, Pierre Turgeon. That's a nice acetate insert. Kind of a, I'll let you see it from an angle there. It's kind of raised up some. Shrines. It's a nice card. That's the first I've seen this insert in this series. Very nice. Decoy. And closing it out with Seth Jarvis, rookie card. Rasmus, Jack, Pavel, Kirill, green parallel, Brad freaking Marchand, purple parallel, and Trevor Zegras, rookie, to close out that pack. And in the other box that I opened, I got a Kirill purple. Maybe I should go for the rainbow. Hendrix Lapierre. Marc-Andre Fleury to start this pack in his Blackhawks. Mark Stone, Casey Middlestat, green parallel of Tomas Hertl, orange parallel Ryan O'Reilly, and Hendrix Lapierre rookie card to close out that pack. And we're down to our last pack of the box. Nick Schmaltz, Philip Forsberg, Nashville, Zach, Blue Jackets, Maxime Comtois, green parallel, and Alex Turcotte, Premiers, 65 out of 399, with an Alex Turcotte, rookie. So, I believe this has been the lowest Premier that I've pulled so far out of 3 boxes, $3.99. Again, these are pretty nice acetate cards. I do like these. And to close out this box, we have our bonus pack. Alexander Romanov, Nick Suzuki, Alexander Barkov, Kiefer Bellows Premier insert, and Brock Besser Green Parallel. The Kiefer Bellows is numbered 434 out of 499. 434 out of 499. And it's a nice card. And that will do it for this box of Upper Deck Ice 2021-22 edition. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a like or dislike. Comments, suggestions, funny remarks, rude remarks can be left down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask away. Thanks for watching. I hope your day goes good. I hope whatever you're breaking, you can find something good for your PC out of it. Spend the time with your kids or family, breaking down some cards, sorting cards, having fun with it. Because that's what this hobby's all about. It's about having fun. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy whatever you collect. Keep it real.